One day, Monti looked on place. There is a thing on around. Monty, hey, who are you? Asked. Suddenly, one voice heard. I am Raindrop, said Monty. Raindrop said, yes, said Raindrop. Who are you? What do you do? Asked Raindrop. I comes from sky, but I forgot my friend said. Never, never, never. You alone travels. You forgot and you bow, said Monty. You right talked, but where is my friends? Asked Raindrop. Maybe do you see that river? Yes, said Raindrop. Maybe your friend was good river, said Monty. And Raindrop went to river. Be river good than the or around.